How to apply for Capital One credit card online. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can apply for Capital One credit card online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to apply for Capital One credit card online, all you have to do is simply open up your browser and then just go to capitalone.com. Then you're going to be able to see this type of interface over here. When you come to this page, you'll find the credit card option from the very top of the navigation menu. You want to make sure to click the credit card option. Once you click on the credit card option, you're going to be taken to this page that says apply with confidence, explore your credits with impacts to your credit or whatever else, and see if I'm pre-approved. So all you have to do is just select see if you are pre-approved over here, and you'll be able to be taken to a page where you can get approved for a Capital credit card. So you can set different sorts of credit cards that are actually available. Now depending upon what you want, you can just go ahead and select your eligibility, and you can skip the question if you'd like, and then enter the first name, the legal last name, and so on. Otherwise you can just come back to the page. Here you can see show me cards that are popular. You can directly click the apply now option as you can find it instead of seeing the pre-approval request. Once you click the apply now, of course you'll be able to see and enter some of the legal first name, your details, your bank account details, and so on. Then after you've done that, only you should be able to click the continue option, and your credit card will be successfully mailed to you if you are eligible. This way you can apply for Capital One credit card. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.